Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own forum channels in your Discord server. So, think about forum channels like you would subreddits. They're basically places where people can create posts or spaces for discussion. So, let's go ahead and click on this plus icon in the text channel to quickly create a new channel. And I'm going to click on forum. Gonna give it a name. Let's call it test forum. Then I'm going to click on create channel. So here you can see there's this small getting started box, and only moderators or people with the proper admin privileges can see this. And this is basically just a way to get your forum channel started. So I'll be skipping the post guidelines, but this is what it would look like. You would want to create a sort of short description about what the forum channel is supposed to be. Then you can create some tags. And this functions very similarly to the Reddit tags you would see on Reddit. And you can set something like, how about goals and hobbies for now? There we go. Let's click on save. And then we can even add more tags. So you can add several. So we have goals and hobbies, and then let's type gaming. There we go. So now you have different tags you can apply to your posts. Then let's give this another look. You can set a default reaction for posts, and let's just select something like that. And lastly, we can make the first post. So let's go ahead and make a new post. Let's call this hobbies. And then let's go enter our title and message. So if you've used Reddit before and have posted on there, you'll notice it looks really familiar. The UI and the flow of what this is supposed to be. So then let's give a quick title like photography journey, and then looking for advice on what to buy for my first camera. Then you can even add a picture, but I won't be adding one for now. You can preview your post. That's how it would look like. Then I'm going to click on post. So here's the first post in this forum channel. And then it also shows up here on the left side under test forum. You'll see the different posts underneath it. So here people can react. They can also follow the post so they would get updates, and they can send messages here. So this acts similarly to the threads function, but the difference is threads are part of a main channel. They're sort of like replies to a particular message. Here, it's an organized space where each message, each post is its own sort of like conversation. So it's just another way to keep things organized and a good way to keep your community members engaged. So that's how you can create your own forum channels in your Discord server, as well as how you can quickly set them up. I hope you're able to learn something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.